In the next episode of Taimur will become of one of the most dangerous forces in Tasha Bunadas. He is not to entering the story like an ordinary enemy. He is entering that exact moment Adil is emotionally destroyed that makes Taimur timing very powerful and very dangerous. Adil want to only think Ilni Elaini to safety and after discovering the truth his world has changed. He is no longer thinking like a man catch between love and revenge. He is thinking like a father, and father in a pain can make decisions that a calm to man would never make. Temo know this. That is why condition will feel like a knife placed carefully on Adil's heart. The cruel part of Temur offer is that it does not only involve danger, it involves to family blood, future and sacrifice. He is not to simply asking for Adil money or loyalty. He is trying to create a bond that can control to Adil for years. If Adil accepts, he may save through Ilni, lose control of his own life. He refused to, he may live with fear that failed his daughter at the first real test. Ismi will be shaken by this. She knows to Adil pain is connected but to her secret. It is Adil is pushed into the Taimur world. Ismi may feel like a responsible for every consuit. She may be a try to stop him, but Adil may be a listen. He may believe that after hiding the truth, Ismi is no longer has a right to tell him what to do. Safari is on the other hand may not to understand this action has created a bigger enemy by taking as awakened, sometime colder and more dangerous in him. The old Adil could be a hard, the more new Adil may be impossible to state. The next episode will be about a terrible choice. Adil will stand between love, fatherhood, and survival. Taimur will try to turn pain into a contract. Ismail will try to hold together what is the already breaking, but Ilni fate will depend on whether Adil can outsmart to be man who thinking to this separation makes him weak.